Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate DeepSeek AI model with the Visual Studio Code without needing any API key or any subscription. So the way to do that is that we will use a client extension to integrate DeepSeek with Visual Studio Code. So client will act as a router, or you can say as a tunnel, and it will provide us with the DeepSeek model completely for free. So the way to do that is we have to go to Visual Studio Code. Mm. So in Visual Studio Code on the left hand sidebar, you can click on extensions here and you can type your client. So after typing client, you can install it. So I have already installed. As you can see, it will have logo like this. It's very similar to GitHub Copilot. So this is the logo of client. So once you install it, you will see screen like this. Now what you need to do is go to settings of client and then select here client usage billing. After you select it, you have the client provides these three models completely for free without any API key, and you can use them. So we will select DeepSeek with Pure Flash and then click on Done. So as you can see here, client DeepSeek with Pure Flash, so DeepSeek is integrated with client. So let's use it. So we'll ask it to write a simple HTML code. So let's wait. So as you can see, it has a very large context windows and it's a very powerful model. So as you can see, it generated the simple HTML code for it for us, and you can highlight any code. For example, I highlighted here title, and then I can ask it to change the title. Change the title to star. So I highlighted the title, and now it will change it. So as you can see, it changed our title to star, and the remaining code is completely same. So this way, it is a very powerful model and it can completely change your workflow, and it has a very large context window, and it is also completely free and you can use it for multiple hours a day until it resets. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. So you can subscribe to my channel for latest news. Thank you.